Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your ZM-X6 controller to an Android device. First, make sure your ZM-X6 controller has sufficient power, ideally a full charge, to avoid interruptions during the pairing process. Next, navigate to the Google Play Store on your Android phone or tablet and download the dedicated ZM-X6 companion application. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your Android device, as this is essential for wireless communication. Now, let's move on to the pairing process. Begin by powering on your ZM-X6 controller. Typically, this involves holding the power button for about 3 seconds. Once powered, locate and press the dedicated Bluetooth pairing button on the controller. Hold it until you observe the LED indicator flashing rapidly, signaling it's in pairing mode. Then, open the ZM-X6 application on your Android device and select the Scan for Devices option. After scanning, your ZM-X6 controller should appear in the list of available devices within the application. Select ZM-X6 controller to initiate the connection. Your Android device might then display a pairing request. Simply confirm it to finalize the link. Once connected, the application provides extensive customization options. You can remap buttons to suit your preferences and fine-tune sensitivity settings for a personalized gaming experience, enhancing your control. Should you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your ZM-X6 controller and Android device often resolves the problem. Also, verify that no other active Bluetooth devices are nearby, as they can sometimes interfere with the pairing process. For the best and most stable connection, always keep your controller and Android device within a close proximity, ideally within a range of 10 meters, to maintain a strong signal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.